Muthenya wa keri kiumia giki barabara cia Nairobi iraihurite mirurungano ya onjoria Nyamakima na Gikomba merekeire ofisini ya Mũnini wa President ya Harambee makimenereria makinya ma gwitikirio kwa duka ya China Square iria aguri maraunanaga kuo ni undu wa indo kwendio na thogora wa thi.
China atakuwa manufacturer, akuje akuwe distributor, akuje akuwe wholesaler, akuje akuwe retailer, akuje akuwe hoka. Wakenya wataenda wapi?
Makaya ma onjoria acio marari thirikari itige gwitikiria onjoria kuma nja wa bururi tondu ni marahotomia biacara ciao. Na riu Mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni agitenagia thina arugamiriria onjoria acio.
Those are jobs at stake. When we are not able to do business, then we'll be forced to close down and release these people back to go and search for jobs elsewhere.
We'll have time to listen to you all the time. And that is why we are here today, to listen to you. And we engage in a constructive manner, and together we seek solutions.
Riu onjoria ya merito ihinda-ini ria ciumia ithatu makaya mao ni megukorwo maroretwo niguo kugia na mitaratara ya guthondeka riera riega ria wonjoria.
We want to build our relationships with all friendly countries. We want to grow trade. We want to increase the volume of trade. We want to send exports there, as is they sell their exports here, and we will look for a solution without antagonizing any country, without antagonizing anybody.
Mũcemanio uyu urehete hamwe Minister wa maundu ma nja wa bururi, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini, mwandiki mukaru wa Ministry ya Iganda, hamwe na ruhonge rwa uthurimi wa wagiriru wa indo.
This is your body. Hamtateseka. There is no single time if somebody will be waking up in the morning and thinking how much he should punish you, not paying but punishing you.
Ona gukiri uguo duka ya China Square ni rikitie kuhigwo na arugamiriri 20 a onjoria nini nio mekinyitie mucemanio-ini uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.